Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you all are doing well. It is Monday morning at 3:40 a.m. You know me, I'm a night person. I usually sleep most of the day and then I'm up at night. Although this weekend I haven't been feeling the greatest, so I actually did not go on any karaoke streams this weekend at all, which is very unusual for me. But I haven't been feeling that great. My ears have been kind of hurting and I got a little bit of swollen glands going here, so I just didn't feel like singing, so I didn't sing this weekend. Sorry, Deb. Sorry, everybody. I just didn't feel good. So, yeah, so as you can see, my pile, I'm really working on this apartment and got getting a lot done. So I'll probably definitely be done by next Sunday when my sister comes to help. All we have to do is pick everything up and take it out to the cars. We're going to have two cars and we should be able to get out of here in a jiffy. And then hopefully my neighbors said that they will be here to help me with the couch and the kitchen table and the coffee table. I also need to text them and ask them if they wouldn't mind putting my recliner and my mattresses in my cousin's barn because I called him and he said I could do it. But if nobody comes, I said to him, well, if worst comes to worst, we'll put it on the porch. And he's like, who do you think we are? The Beverly Hillbillies? He said, that's why I take the porch off the porch, the furniture off the porch in the wintertime. And I'm like, well, I guess I'm a hillbilly because I would do it if I had to, you know, and it could just stay there until he comes up and then he can put it away. I mean, I can't leave it here, and I don't want to lose my recliner or my queen mattresses that I have. So that's going to be a great thing if we can get into the barn. And if he doesn't come, I'll have to get the key from my cousin up here, and that can be difficult sometimes. So cross my fingers that everything works out. Uh, my mom's money hopefully will be here by Monday or Tuesday, and then I can go get the bed that she's helping me out with. I'm going to go get a twin bed. And if they're too expensive in the furniture store, I'll probably just get maybe a steel frame and a mattress. I mean, that's all I had for a long time. Although I've always wanted a really nice bed with a headboard. It doesn't have to be a fancy headboard. I would just like to have a headboard. So let's we'll see what happens. Furniture stores are so expensive, and we only have this one in this one horse town. So we'll just have to see. I said to my mom, well, maybe I can get something off Amazon, and she said, no, 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 don't get it off Amazon because if it doesn't work, you can't send it back, and it'll be a pain. And yeah, I can't put a bed together myself anyway, so it wouldn't make much sense to order something. Then I'll have to put it together, and I won't know how. I'm not too mechanically inclined. I mean, I'm a little better than I used to be because I've had to learn to do things for myself. But putting a bed together, no, 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 no. I don't think so. As you can see, I cut my hair myself. Now, it's not the greatest. Um, Before I go to Boston for Thanksgiving, I'm going to go to my stylist that I use, and I'll have her neaten it up a bit. I'm sure it's not very even in the back. But I just couldn't take it anymore. It had gotten so long. It was almost so impossible to take care of. So I just snipped away and I feel better and I think it looks better too. So that'll be taken care of in late November before I go to Boston. So anyhow, I think that's it. I just wanted to kind of update you on my what's going on here, and then for my channel, in order to do my late night karaoke, I have been so stressed out over it because, I'll be in an apartment and it's just a studio, and the one next to me is a studio. So they're going to be able to hear everything, which is why I'm going to eventually get a sound bar for my TV that is Bluetooth. So I can Bluetooth it to my hearing aids or my phone. And then I'm also going to get a Bluetooth stereo so that I can Bluetooth it to my phone or my hearing aids. And then, I won't be a noisy neighbor because here I've been able to just do whatever I want, I mean, the neighbors are way over there and way over there, so there's really nobody here to hear what I do in here, as far as singing and all that and playing my TV. But now I've got to think about, being quiet for neighbors. So that's my plan for the new apartment. And then I also found something for the sound to dampen the sound when I sing. So I found something on Amazon that is freestanding, okay? And it's a black panel, and it says that they are the panels, they're kind of like the panels that you put on the wall to soundproof your room, but it's freestanding. So I think that might work really, really well. So that is on my Amazon wish list. I don't know if I have that on my page. I will look and see. And if you just want to donate, you don't have to. I mean, it would just help me get it a little bit sooner rather than later, so that my people don't miss me. My people at night, like, we can't use you, we can't lose you. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but well, we just got to work on the sound issue. So I think that'll work out. So I'm excited about that. Wish me luck with the twin bed. I'm going to look for a twin bed next week. I'll be sleeping on this very uncomfortable couch until I can get a bed. Um, my mom gave me money to go get a twin bed. There's one furniture store here. I don't know how that's going to work out. It might be too expensive. We'll see. Worst comes to worst, I'll just get a steel frame, you know, and a mattress. So that's kind of what's going on here. And you can see my pile back there. That closet, I cleaned it all out. So I'm way ahead of the game. So hope everybody's doing well. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.